Hello everyone, hope all are doing well. My name is Vicky, you are watching VTechTube. One of our subscriber, Vishnu Karthik, commented us, good information bro. What about channels post videos on cracking a software? Will these channels get monetized? This comment made me to do this video, a, a request. As a small new YouTuber, I need your support to grow. I hope my video delivers some good information and value to you. If you find this useful, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Do you want a hacking or cracking software YouTube channel? Or do you plan to start new YouTube channel in this niche? Please watch this video completely before you start. I searched a lot and I found the answer and I'll explain in detail. Let's see what circumvention of technological measures. When we say CTM or Circumvention of Technological Measures, we are referring to tools that allow users to evade a software licensing protocol. This means serial number, keygen, password, or other methods to hack software or games. If your video shows how to bypass a software license or it helps to crack the software with keys, all these videos falls under CTM. YouTube will never entertain any videos that violates their policy. If you have any of those videos in your channel, better you can delete it before your channel goes for monetization. Or even if it is monetized, it can be demonetized on a manual review. These kind of videos leads your channel to termination. I leave the link in the description below. You can check it after the video.